there have been talks about this new body headed by Dr. Ukrit Mongkol Nawin that is supposed to be looking at reforming all the legal bodies, agencies, laws, everything that has to do with legal justice, rule of law, which has raised suspicion that is there any sort of hidden agenda that this committee is supposed to work on to pave the way for a new kind of, landscape in the country's legal scenario, legal formation?
Actually, it was a lot of speculation concerning the formation of Kun Ukrit Mongkol Nawin Committee. And that's why he himself has issued a statement today that he would work in a way that respect the current system, the current organizations, and he will not do anything that will cause any trouble to highest institutions of Thailand.
He has come up with two statements already. One when the announcement was just made, and today again, and all denying everything.
Yes,
it's not what he's going to do, but it's not what he's not going to do.
Right. Well, probably because immediately after Hun Yingluck appointed him as the chairman of this committee, a lot of speculation was buzzing, and the main speculation revolved around allegations that this government want to dissolve many independent organizations under the current under the 1997 Constitution, including the Constitution Court.
Wow, really?
Yes, this is a very serious.
Also, the administrative court,
administrative court, and also the National Counter-Corruption Commission.
Oh, you cannot do away with all those things because those are supposed to be independent agencies.
The government has not said anything like that at all. This is a pure speculation that everyone suspect that any organization that had rulings affecting Kun Thaksin Shinawatra would be the subject of study by this committee.
So that's why every possible move by the new government is seen in that light.
Yes.
Which is not really very encouraging because I don't think that the new government is going to wipe out everything, all the semblance of legal justice.
One of the speculations that we have heard about is that the government may not want to, the government may just try to merge certain organizations together. For example, a merger between the Constitution Court and the Supreme Court. This is only pure speculation, but you cannot help people speculating when you set up a committee to study how to revamp the Thai justice system.
That's right.
But one thing that we can be very certain about is that the setting up of the Kun Ukrit Committee indicates that this government is very serious about
revamping the laws,
amending the law, and ultimately the Constitution of Thailand.
But it's very important for this government to assure the public that everything that is being done is not to take revenge against all the so-called independent agencies that have rulings on Kun Thaksin Shinawatra.
Yes, and as we discussed some time ago, that this organizations have its benefits. It's not only Kun Thaksin. In the past, these are very courageous, brave institutions. For example, when the election commission in the past, they outlaw a lot of powerful politicians from the election. That was a good thing. And also the Constitution Court had a ruling against the Democrat Party as well. Kun Sanan Khajapasad in the past. So.
Well, I think the test of the pudding is in the eating, and we should see the 12 members of Dr. Ukrit's committee, the composition, the personalities that will come in to join this committee.
We heard that he's still looking for members. So.
Yes, and then it's not easy to find 12 wise men who have good records, who have independent records, and who will really convince the public that they are doing this for the good of the country.